Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to find the total sum for multiple columns and rows in Excel using a simple formula. Make sure your data is organized into columns and rows. Here I have sales data showing a report of 4 quarters. If you type manually, like for example, applying the formula of sum in each column and row will be time consuming. Instead of that, select the range in the first quarter, press Ctrl and hold. Go to the second quarter, drag the cells and so on till the fourth quarter. Now release the Control tab and type Alt equal to from the keyboard. Excel will instantly calculate and display the total sum for all the selected cells. This simple formula makes adding up large sets of data quick and easy. If you found this video helpful and useful, do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.